Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. So guys, today I got four product from Aliexpress. These four. So I like to show the unboxing of this four product. This four product is this one microphone. Second one is a Bluetooth device. Third one is detoxify, and last one is cable protector for iPhone. So I ordered this four product and I got this four product today. So this is the Bluetooth device with one charger, one connector, and this is the device. I like to show. So this is the product. This is for connector. There you can see. So this is the connector, and this is for clip, and this is the cable. This is a really good product. You can find the purchase link in my description below also. Now I like to unbox second one. This is the iPhone cable protector. This is a really nice. I like cartoon, that's why I ordered this. This is a microphone. Here you can see the cable is really nice. It covered with some rope, so that's why this is really nice. It is 3.5 jack and some clip. So that's it. And last one, so I got this. This is foot messenger, toxin reduce. This reduce toxin. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I got 10 pieces of toxin reducer. So that's all. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If so, give me a big thumbs up and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video of this channel. And in the next upcoming video, I like to show how this toxin reducer works. For this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.